Introducing the sleek and sophisticated 2022 Audi A3 Edition 1 in stunning black. With only 29,500 miles on the clock, this diesel saloon boasts a powerful 2-litre engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride, packed with luxurious comfort and advanced safety features, including satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. The Audi A3 also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us today or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information. Upgrade your drive with the Audi A3 Edition. 1. Luxury and performance in one stylish package.